Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so you guys have already seen me pretty much style this hair. The styling wasn't very long, guys, because there wasn't a lot to do, honestly. This hair came like this. I did not curl this hair or anything like that. It came with this little swoop part. It already came like just with this natural type of like fall to it. I bumped this side just a bit, but other than that, I didn't do anything to it. Like, this literally looks like I went to a salon or something and got my hair silk pressed. Like, it looks so good. Like, whoever made this wig really did. They must have looked at some kind of pictures or something and they got it spot on. Like, this is so perfect. I love it. I normally do not like short bob wigs like this, but I am really feeling this, and I wish you guys could see just how soft this hair was. I've had a lot of hair, guys, and this is about the softest hair I've ever had. Like, honestly speaking, this is the softest hair I've ever had. Like, it's crazy. It's so silky soft. It's ridiculous. And this is what the parting looks like. A very deep and natural part. Like, this wig is just super natural. Like I said, this it's just natural. It has so much body, so much flow. It just moves. It looks so sophisticated. It doesn't look like a wig. It looks super natural. Like, I'm just really feeling it. They did this wig right. Like, I mean, it's straight out of the boxes like this. It does come with elastic band. It does come with combs. I did put a little bit of got to be glue on my sides, and that's pretty much it. I mean, this wig is amazing. So let's go with some specs. I do have them written down here. So this is I'm sorry, this wig does come in a natural color. This is Brazilian virgin hair. It does have a curved part, of course. It's 10 inches, so this bob is 10 inches. All right, so the density in the front, it says that it's 150% density, and in the back it says that it is 180% density. Could y'all just look at this cut? Like, can we appreciate this cut? Like, are you freaking kidding me? That cut is amazing. Okay, so the knots are bleached. In the parting space, it is a 4.5 inch parting space. It is pre-plucked. I did go in and pluck it a little bit more. You guys know I just always do that. I like to pluck with the wig on my head, but I didn't have to do a lot, and you definitely don't have to do that either. Okay, so I do have this is a glueless cap, hence the fact it does have an elastic band and also combs. All right, so guys, yes, like I said, this wig is super beautiful. Do y'all see this? I mean, I already came kind of like with this bump and curl in it. Also, guys, they are doing like a 3-year anniversary sale. The information will be down below. You can get I think like 35 to 40% off during this sale. Like I said, additional details will be down below. I would definitely recommend you guys take advantage of the sale because their wigs are pretty nice. Okay, this is I think my second time reviewing for this company, and the hair is just always nice. And like I said, I can honestly say that out of all the wigs that I have tried, honestly, they have the softest, silkiest hair. Like, it's just baby soft. I haven't felt any kind of hair as soft as the hair that are on their wigs. I don't know what's going on, but it's just super soft. Okay, but anyways, guys, my camera is about to die. Any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below and we will be sure to discuss. Let me know what you guys think about this particular wig. Would you consider getting it? Why or why not? And I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.